Are you sore from clinching? Do these 3 exercises. So we're going to reverse that clinching pattern by coming up against the wall, pushing our chin in to make a double chin here. That's going to lengthen the back of our neck, and we're going to pop our fingers and elbows against the wall, coming up and down, keeping the shoulders down as we keep that chin tucked. The second one is for the base of the neck. So we're going to come down onto the roller just below our neck, and we're going to lean all the way back and over, releasing out the top of that spine. And while you're there, you can just hold that position and open up your pecs as well while we're here. This next one, we're going to go a bit higher. So we're going to come right up into the hairline here, just underneath your skull. So popping that roller there, just rotating our head side to side instead of coming backwards is going to get all those little muscles that will be really tight up in there. This is Nancy Jane, making wellness education accessible to everybody. I'll see you on the next one.